Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today is Wednesday and we got up a while ago now, probably about 4 or 5 hours ago, and we have just been chilling, playing blocks and magnetic blocks, watching Frozen. I was doing some editing. I'm planning to do a workout, but I'm really hungry, so I feel like I should do a workout after I've had some food. I might do it before actually, I don't know, we'll see.
Cake and yogurt.
Oh my god. But the kids are being good this morning. We haven't done any activities yet, but we are going to start doing activities. They have been playing with blocks and stuff like that, but I haven't actually sat down with them and done things with them properly. But
that boy smashed glass.
Oh, that's so naughty. Elisa is having some mini cheddars with cheese on top because I made her Ritz crackers with cheese on top, but she was like, I don't want them. I want a snack. I want mini cheddars. I was like, okay, whatever. I'm not going to fight with you over this silly little thing. So I just put some cheese on top of mini cheddars for her. But now, you know what? I think I'm going to do the workout before I have some food because I'll get it out the way then. Don't have to worry about it later. So that's what I'm gonna do now. In here, Isa is playing with some magnetic blocks and watching Frozen, and yeah, he's just having fun. He's eaten all of the cheese off his crackers and there's all toast on the floor from earlier, but oh well, that could be cleaned up in a bit. Elisa has just dropped her crackers all over the floor. That is not very clever, putting your feet up on the table like that, is it?
Mom, but I don't want to put them down.
So my workout is complete. Woo! Might do another one later, but right now I'm starving. My stomach is hurting because I'm hungry. I have just chopped up some mango and I'm going to get some Greek style yogurt and granola and honey in a bowl and then top it off with some mango. Yes. And then slowly. No, you have to walk slowly. Yeah, like that. Put it down and then lift it up as slow as you can. And then walk.
Swing it.
Whoa, that was cool. A little bit later, I'm upstairs with this little monster. He's really tired, but I'm not letting him nap because he had a 20-minute nap yesterday and he went to sleep at 12:30 midnight, by the way, so he's not allowed a nap. I feel so tired. He just headbutted me right here, so I've got like a side headache right now. But I'm just doing a bit of editing and then I really need to jump in the shower because I've been putting it off all day because I just don't have the energy for it right now. Is that gross? I don't even care. My whole body is aching from yesterday's workout, but I did a workout today as well and I just feel really, really dead right now. Like, you know, when you just do not want to do anything at all. That is exactly how I'm feeling. Isa is being a monkey. He still headbutts a lot. He stopped doing it as much as he did it before, but he still does it and it's really not nice. Easy, it's little man. Hey, look how tired he is. He just wants to sleep. You're not going to sleep, are you? Isa, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. He's not even in the mood for that. That's normally his favourite thing to do. I don't know, I'm kind of just in the middle of doing some editing, but Isa keeps closing the laptop, so I can't really do that. And yeah, I don't know really, I don't know. I don't really know what to do. I'm thinking of filming some videos today, but I don't have anything to film. I don't really know what to film, to be honest. I don't know, it's one of those days. I don't know. It just seems like all these days are just getting mixed up together. Also, there's building work going on next door and it's really loud sometimes. Now it's quite quiet, but it's loud a lot of the time. What are you doing? Isa, if you're happy, you know, clap your hands. Yay! If you're happy, you know, clap your hands. Up, touch your head, stamp your feet. So it's a little bit later and I have not done anything apart from do a bit of editing. Isa's just watching my phone. I need to go figure out what we're gonna eat and all that kind of thing, so I'm gonna go back downstairs and kind of sort bits and pieces out. Haven't had a shower yet. Probably not gonna have one till the kids go to bed, really, because it's already like 4:20. Don't know where today has gone. Literally, time is flying. Has anyone else found that as well? That time is just going so quick. It's crazy. Like on Tuesday I thought it was like Sunday or something. It's crazy. I don't know where the time is going. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and get things done. So it's slightly later and I am about to make some butleys. We're gonna have leftovers from yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday what I've made and stuff. I made an aubergine and chickpea curry and also a spinach and chicken curry, and they were both delicious. And there were some leftovers, so I'm just gonna make some butli right now, and the kids are gonna have some fish fingers and fish bites, and then they can have some of our curry if they want to. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I'm so tired, so I've decided that I'm going to make that coffee that is going around everywhere on Instagram and everything, so I'm gonna do that right now, just before I make the butli. Let's do it. So all of the cleaning in the kitchen is done, yay! I thought I'd tell you that the coffee was really nice, but if I made it again, I would put less coffee in, especially if you don't like strong coffee, because that was way too strong. I could imagine it being perfect for 2 cups of coffee, 2 glasses of coffee. I don't know if it's supposed to be for 2 cups of coffee, but I did it with 1. It was really nice. Other than that, I really like strong coffee as well, so I'm not just saying that it's strong because I can't handle coffee, because that's not true. But it is really strong, so if you don't really like strong coffee, then put less coffee in if you're just making it for yourself. I'm just gonna end the vlog now because it is 7 o'clock. The kids are gonna go to bed soon. I'm gonna put them in the bath and then send them to bed, and that's it really. You know what it's like, kids are in bed, I'm basically done for the day. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.